welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. Today, I present to you a captivating video showcasing incredible ideas. Prepare to be astonished by the transformation and attraction of these pixie haircut ideas that are sure to capture your heart. So, ladies and gentlemen, get ready to embark on a journey filled with the enchantment of these hairstyles. Are you ready to be inspired? This year we bring you the hottest trend in pixie haircut, tailored exclusively for you. These styles are meticulously crafted to make a lasting impression, leaving you feeling confident and utterly fabulous. And prepare for an incredible hair transformation. Ladies, get ready to witness the utter beauty and elegance of these pixie haircuts. Each style is a masterpiece designed to make you fall head over heels in love with them. From modern to elegant, this collection offers something for everyone. Oh, and don't worry if English is not your first language. I apologize if my English is not perfect, but fashion is a universal language that transcends words. Just marvel at the shine, sophistication, and sheer elegance of these hairstyles. They are tailored to make you feel like a fashionista. These ideas will elevate your style game to new heights, empowering you with confidence and grace. Embrace the most stunning pixie haircut you have ever laid your eyes upon. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will receive notifications whenever I release new content, ensuring that you never miss out on any of the latest trends and hairstyles. So hit that subscribe button and become a part of our community of fabulous ladies and stunning women. I apologize if you heard any background noise. Please bear with me, and I promise it would not decrease the enjoyment of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, ladies and women. Your support means the world to me. ideas with you. Remember, a great haircut can work wonders for your confidence and overall appearance. So go out there, rock your stunning short hair and embrace your inner beauty. Thank you so much for joining me today. And until we meet again, may you remain fabulous and continue to shine brightly. See you in the next video.